Is AWeber allowed in India? If you're wondering whether you can use AWeber for email marketing in India, the answer is yes, but there's a catch. Stick around because I'll explain what you need to know about using AWeber in India, how it compares to other email marketing tools, and a better alternative if you want the best results. AWeber is officially available in India, and you can sign up, use its features, and send emails without restrictions. But here's the issue: AWeber is primarily designed for Western markets, and that creates a few key problems for Indian users. First, pricing. AWeber's plans are in USD, making it more expensive compared to some local alternatives. And while it does offer a free plan, it's very limited, only 500 subscribers and AWeber branding in your emails. If you're serious about email marketing, you'll likely need a paid plan, and there are more cost-effective options out there. Next, deliverability. AWeber is known for solid email deliverability, but the majority of its optimized servers and best performance are focused on North America and Europe. In India, email delivery rates may not be as high, especially if your audience is using Indian email providers like Rediffmail or Zoho. Another thing, support and integration. AWeber offers customer support, but it's mainly based on US time zones. If you need help during Indian business hours, you might end up waiting. Also, while AWeber integrates with many global platforms, some Indian payment gateways and CRM tools don't sync as smoothly. And then there's automation. AWeber's automation features are okay, but compared to newer competitors, they feel a bit outdated. You'll find more advanced automation and AI-driven segmentation in other tools that are often easier to use. So, while AWeber works in India, it's not necessarily the best choice. If you're looking for a more affordable, efficient, and feature-packed alternative for email marketing in India, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.